Namaste students, in the previous class we have learned measures of mass. In that measures of mass, it means we measure the weight. So it means weight means find the what is the weight of solid objects, solid things. Okay, so the smaller objects are smaller weights. So smaller weights we use gram, and to measure bigger weights, so we use larger unit. It is called as kilogram. So we know that. Okay, so and also addition and statement sums we have to solve in the previous in introduction of the measures of mass. Now in that, so we know that 1 kg equal to 1000 grams. 1 kg equal to 1000 grams. Using this, so we can convert the kg to gram and gram to kg. So now first conversion. First we can go for today we can go for conversion. So look at this. Now change into gram. How to change into gram? Gram it means, so when the questions are given kg, so we can convert it to gram. We know that 1 kg equal to 1000 gram. So now how to find out, how to find out the grams, how to convert it to grams? Look at that. To convert kilograms into grams, convert kilograms into grams, we multiply the number of kilograms. Number of kilograms, how many? Number of kilograms by 1000, by 1000. So we get the gram. Okay, so now look at this. This is the change into gram. Once again I will repeat. To convert kilogram, kilogram ಗಿರೋದನ್ನ ಗ್ರಾಮಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ kilogram into gram, we multiply the which number? We multiply the number of kilograms, number of kilograms by 1000. So we should multiply by 1000 to get the grams. Okay, so first one example I will take that example. First one, 3 kg. This is a 3 kg. So 1 kg is already equal to 1000 grams. We know that 1 kg equal to 1000 grams. Okay, 3 kg means how many grams? 3 kg equal to number of grams. So number of grams how many? 3, and multiply by 1000. We should multiply 1 kg equal to how much gram? 1000 grams. We get 3 into 1000. 3 into 1000. How to multiply? 1000 into 3. Look at this. 3 0 the 0, 3 0 the 0, 3 0 the 0, 3 1 the 3. So what is the answer? 3000 gram. 3000 gram. This is the answer. This is the answer. So now I will go for the second one question. Okay. 9 kg. 9 kg. Find out the kg to gram. How to multiply? How to find out the kg to gram? So 9 kg. So we know that 1 kg equal to 1000 grams. Okay. So multiply how much? 9 kg. So we should find out the 9 kg. Okay. First we should write number of kg. How many? 9. We should multiply each kg how many grams? 1000 grams is there in the upside. 1000 grams. We should multiply 9 into 1000. 1000 into 9. Okay. 1000 into 9. 1000 into 9. 9 0 the 0. 9 0 the 0. 9 0 the 0. 9 1 the 9. 9 1 the 9. What is your answer? 9000 grams. This is the kg to gram. I hope all of you understand. So now I will go for the one textbook question I have to solve. Okay. Second one question. Third one question. Third one. Next. 25 kg. Sorry. 25 kg. So we should find out the 25 kg to gram. So now 1 kg, we know that 1 kg equal to 1000 grams. Okay, so 25 kg, 25 kg equal to number of kgs, how many? 25 into multiply, we should multiply each kg 1000 grams. We get the answer 1000 into 25. So one simple method I have to told. Wait. Okay. First, how many zeros are in 1000? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 25 into 1. 25 on the 25. So what do you get answer? 25,000. 25,000. This is the one of the method of multiplication to the 0, 1000, 100 multiplication. Next one question. Next one question. Take another one question. Fourth one question. Fourth one question. Taken 7 kg. So we should direct questions will be given. This type of questions we can convert it to gram. Next one is 7 kg 250 gram. How to convert gram? So first one, it is kg. Kg now converted to gram. Remaining grams we should adding to the grams. Okay. So same we should follow the same method. So last we have kilometer to meter, meter to centimeter. So we can as you like. So you should do the same thing. Okay. First kg to convert it to gram. Then after that remaining 250 gram we can add. So now look at this question. So how to solve? Okay. So first one, first 1 kg equal to, we know that 1 kg equal to 1000 grams. 1000 grams. Okay. So we should find out 7 kg because it is only kg. Remaining that one and already in gram. So we cannot convert it to gram. Okay. It is 7 kg. Number of kgs first we should write it 7. Next multiply 1000 because each kg equal to 1000 grams. Then 7 into 1000, 7000. You have already know that 7000 plus remaining 250 gram. So we should add 250. Where is the 250 we should adding? So gram. So 1's place is 0, 10's place is 5, 100 place is 2. Kg 5, 2, 7, 7250 gram. Okay, this has to be converting to convert kilograms into grams. We multiply the number of 1000. Look at that. We should multiply 1000. Yes, 1000, 1000, 1000. So we should multiply. Okay. So fourth one, in another one question we have to solve. Another one question. Shall we solve another one question? Yes, we can solve another question because you cannot understand in this question properly. So now again another one question we have to do the same type of questions. Okay. Now, okay, another two questions. Fourth one, sorry, fifth one, sixth one, fifth one, sixth one, fifth one, sixth one. Okay. So now 4 kg 72 gram. Another one, sixth one, 1 kg 1 gram. Okay. These completely converted to gram. Okay. So now 4 kg is there. So first we should convert it 4 kg to gram. Remaining 72 gram we can add. So we know that 1 kg equal to 1000 gram. We know all of you? Yes. Okay. We should convert it 4 kg. 4 kg equal to number of kgs how many? 4. Multiply each kg how many grams? 1000 grams. Okay, multiply 4 into 1000, 1000 into 4. Okay, 4 0 the 0, 4 0 the 0, 4 0 the 0, 4 1 the 4. How many? What is the answer? 4000 grams. Okay, so then remaining 72 gram. Remaining 72 gram we can add. Okay, remaining 72 gram, how can be how it can be add? So it is 2 digit number. But here 4 digit number there. How to adding? So it is first we should add ones place. First write in ones place. 2. Tens place is 7. Guruji, what about 100,000? So we can add 0. We can add 0. Now adding to 0 plus 2, 2. 0 plus 7, 7. 0 plus 0, 0. 4 plus 0, 4. 4072 gram. This is the answer. Okay. Now look at this. It is 7. So we can we change the question? Yes. 5 kg, 5 grams. 5 kg, 5 grams. Okay. Now 5 kg has to be converted to gram. Okay. Okay. 1 kg equal to 1000 grams. We know that 1 kg equal to 1000 grams. So 5 kg, 5 number of kg is 5. Next, multiply 1000. Why we should multiply 1000? Because 1 kg equal to 1000 grams. Okay. Now 5 into 1000, 5000 grams plus next remaining grams has to be added. It is ones place. Where we add ones place? Yes, here 5. Remaining ones place, tens place all are 0. 5, 0, 0, 5. 5000 grams. This is the answer. I hope all of you clear. So do you understand? Change into grams. Change into grams means to convert kilograms into grams, we multiply the number of kilograms by 1000. Yes, yes. This is the change into kilogram. Now I will go for change into kilogram. Change into kilogram. Already we have done grams. So we can convert it to kilogram. How to convert kilogram? Now I will take some examples. Okay, students. Now look at the board. Change into kilogram and gram. Change into kilogram to kilogram and gram. And to convert grams, gram to convert gram into kilogram. So we should convert it to kilogram and gram. Sometimes will be gram will be there. Sometimes gram is not there. Okay. So now we divide the number of grams by 1000. Divide by 1000. So 1000 is the divide madide. So we should convert it to gram to kg. When we divide the 1000 to the given number, to given the questions or given the grams, divide by 1000. So the quotient is how many thousands are there? It is in quotient. The quotient is kg. We can understand. Keep in mind. We divide by 1000. We get the answer in quotient. That is quotient means number of thousands. Okay, that is called as kg. Okay, when the remainder will be there, so number of grams will be remaining. That is called as gram. So remainder is called as gram. Okay, so now one example I will take that. Look at that. Okay, example first one, 7000 grams. It is a one of the question. 7000 gram. Let us divide by 1000 by 1000 grams divided by 1000. Okay, so let us divide 7000 grams divided by 1000 equal to, so how to divide? 1000 is divisor, 7000 is dividend. We know the table of 1000. 1000 is 1000, 1000 to the 2000, 1000 is the 3000, 1000 for the 4000, 1005 the 5000, 1006 the 6000, 1007 the 7000. Yes, we should write here 7. 1007 the 7000. Is it right? All of you understand? 1007 the 7000. So we get the answer 0, 0, 0. So remainder is not there. Remainder is not there. Here gram is not came. It is not. Gram is not there in the remainder. So we can left it. Only kg is there. Because it is kg. Thousands how many are there? 7 are there. in that 7,000 grams. So that's why we should write it 7 kg. The answer is what? 7 kg. 7,000 grams equal to 7 kg. I hope all of you understand. Okay, 7,000 grams equal to 7 kg. Now I will go for another one question. Second one, 6,000 grams. Can we convert it gram? Can we convert it kg? Now 6,000 grams divided by, because asking for, we divide the number of grams by thousands, equal to, so let us divide 1,000, 6,000, 1,000, how much is 6,000? 1,003 the 3,000, 1,005 the 5,000, 1,006 the 6,000, 1,006 the 1,006 the 6,000. Okay, subtract 0, 0, 0, 0. No remainder. Remainder is not there. So we should write. So here only kg will be remaining. Okay, 6,000 grams has to be how many grams or how many kgs? Thousands, how many? 6 in that 6,000. So we can understand. So 6,000 grams equal to 6 kg. Yes. Okay, 6 kg. So here no grams is there. Sometimes having different numbers will be there. So look at that. Third one question. 7,025 gram. This type of questions will be asking. Okay, what we do? So let us divide the number 1,000. Okay, 7,025 gram divided by 1,000. Okay, divide. So 1,000, 7,025. 1,000 on the 1,000 3 the 3,000, 1,004 the 4,000, 1,005 the 5,000, 1,007 the 7,000. 7,025 nearest number in the 1,000 table. The 1,007 the 7,000 is there. 1,007 the 7,000. Okay, now subtract it. 5 less 0, 5, 2 less 0, 2, 0, 0. How many is remaining? So it is 7 kg. Quotient has to be written into kg, because how many kg, how many times of thousands are repeated in the 7,025? It is 7, that is kg. So remaining how much? 25 grams has to be remaining. That is called as gram. So your answer is 7 kg. ಉಳ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಬರಿಬೇಕು ಗ್ರಾಮ್ನ, ಉಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬೇಡ. Okay, 7 kg. How many grams are remaining? 25 gram. So we should write 7,025 gram. We can write into kg and gram. 7 kg here, 25 gram. I hope all of you understand. Okay, next one question. Same this type of questions will be given. Fourth one questions. Fourth one question. Look at that. Taken 8,652 gram. 8,652 gram. So now let us divide. Let us divide by 1,000. So we should write 8,652 divided by 1,000. Has to be divided by 1,000. 1,000. Okay. 1,000 table. 8,652 nearest number. 1,000 6,000. 1,007 the 7,000. 1,008 the 8,000. 1,009 the 9,000 is bigger. So we can take to 1,008 the 8,000. Okay, now subtract it. 2,560. Okay, so we get the answer is, so what is the kg? It is kg. 8 times of thousands are there in the 8,652. That is called as kg. Next, remaining it is 652 grams are remaining. So that is called as gram. Remainder will be considered for the gram. So we should write 8 kg 652 grams. So this is the answer. Okay, last question I have to solve. Last question. So fifth one question I have to solve. Fifth one question. 9,000 uh, 76 gram. 9176 gram. We can take 176. Okay, let us divide 9176 gram divided by 1000. So 9176. So 1000 table, 1000 in the 10,000, 1000 at the 8,000, 1009 the 9,000. Yes, it is very nearest number. 1009 the 9,000. 610. 176 grams are remaining. 176 grams are remaining. Okay, it is gram, it is kg. So what is answer? 9 kg, 176 gram. This is the answer. 176 gram. So we should divide the 1000. We get the kg to gram. Guruji, last two questions has to be given only kg. Why? So it is completely divided. It is completely divided. So no remainder will be remaining. So that's why this is only kg. Okay. So here having remainders are coming. So that's why. So it is having kg and grams are there. Okay. Only two questions. Okay. So remaining three questions having grams and kg. Okay. So now your homework is, today's homework is exercise 11A. Exercise 11A, first mine, second mine, third mine, fourth mine. So all the answers you have to, all the questions you have to write in the CW. Okay. I hope all of you today's class is understand. Okay, students, thank you so much. Dhanyavad.